Hey, this is Patch and Cleo, a member of the Noob Hacks crew, along with Ashesha, also known as YouTubers Again. That is not actually his channel name. Not channel. That is not actually his username. He does not have his own account currently. Am I green team? Oh god, no. No. I don't want to die this fast. Jeez. Okay, so yeah, our only weapon in this one is an enchanted shovel. Shovel! And this looks like there's 13 minutes left on this, so I'm gonna play this game, and then I think I'm gonna upload the video. This is our first video on the channel, so please rate, comment, and subscribe. It would be really helpful just to kick off the first video. In other episodes, he will be joining up me. On other episodes, he will be by himself. It honestly depends. It's all up to his schedule, my schedule. Yeah, so his schedule, my schedule, what we're doing. If we're all free, we'll be playing together. We also have one other member whose computer is insanely laggy and he can't really do anything. But once he gets a new computer, that will all change. Oh wow, I just went in a circle. Okay, wow, I just let that guy run right past me. Woo! Wow! I'm just like, woohoo! I have potions! Yay! No, deny. So yeah, I have Optifying and Redder Sprint mod is not working. I actually just filmed the video, and then I had a friend sitting next to me who talked a lot during it and flapped his cheeks and made really annoying noises, and I had to start over. And so yeah, this is the start over one. So please just, yeah, wow. I am uncatchable. Oh wow, I went in a dead end. But if you think, just please leave in the comments, because I want to know what you guys think, because I like it. I like the idea of it. Having an ender sword that you make with either eyes of ender or ender pearls, and you put them on a stick, and not just like one of them, but like a whole 16 stack of ender pearls, making up half of it. So you need 32 ender pearls to make the whole thing, as well as one stick. And when you do that, it would when you right click, it would teleport you places, and when you left click, it will do as much damage as a diamond sword. I just think that's a cool idea. So yeah, if you think the same, please leave in the comments, because I'm really interested in knowing. Another thing is, we also have our own mini game out, which we're gonna film a little video of that, and we're gonna post it. The download link will be in the description. So yeah, if you see that, if you see the download link, if you see that video, it would be really cool if you could just rate, comment, subscribe, download it, and if you want the publicity we don't care about. In fact, it's awesome. The publicity is what YouTube's pretty much all about. If none of you have noticed that I have a cold, something is seriously wrong with your mind. And if you haven't noticed, that I have a cold, seriously, get ears. God gave ears to you for a reason, just to use them. And I hope I feel better soon, because I'm kind of in a cruddy attitude, because I felt this way for 4 days. It's really annoying. I just want to not be sick again. Why'd my sprint just stop there? Nope, wall denied. I can't run into you. Iceberg. I'm gonna get in this iceberg. No, I'm not gonna get. Oh god, I don't feel good. Oh my god, I just went in a freaking circle again. I've done this like 5 times. This map is so confusing. Oh my god. Tanks, dude. I wish I had like a fish, because I'd like start whacking people with a fish for the lulz of it, just for the lulz. The lulz are the best part. For the lulz. This is not trolling at all. Why am I singing the troll song? In fact, I just got pounded into the ground by a sword in the ass, to the face, hit by, I don't even know. Just, some people just need to be high-fived in the face with a chair made out of steel held by Chuck freaking Norris. Yes, I did just say people need to get high-fived in the face with a chair held by Chuck Norris. I do not know why, I just did. I'm weird. I'm slightly psychopathic. But hopefully you guys think I make good videos. Stupid faces. You are so not nice. Why is everyone such a jerk? Oh God, what did I just walk into? I'm not a part of your system. Oh God, how am I running past everyone on the enemy team with 2 hearts left? Oh my God, this is so funny. If I get all the way to their base and score points, I will laugh. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, I didn't have to laugh. I'm happy about that. Because my laugh just sounds weird because I'm sick. No! Do you know what I think about you? You need... Blockman, get a life. Oh God, how many potions did he have? What the heck? Thanks for the potions, dude. I'll not use all of them at all. That guy really should try to shift in the corner because I didn't see him. He's like, hey look, I'm standing in an obvious position, Shift. So random. Oh God, the green team's poning us. They're shoving their swords up. They're shoving their shovels up. They're shoving their shovels up our shashes. No, they're shoving their shovels up our asses. Oh, Batman! Batman from the sky. Oh my, what? I just fall out of the sky, kill someone. It's like, how did someone else get behind me? That's not even nice. Okay. Back to their base I go. Hey, Blockman, yeah, I almost killed you, no big deal. It's actually not at all. I don't know who the heck Blockman is. No relation at all, jeez. How did I get stuck there? How in the... oh my God. I'm like, hey, look, it's a wall. I'm gonna run into it and get myself killed. Noob. Okay, maybe it is fair to say that I am a noob. But I'm not a hack, and I'm actually not a noob. I'm actually not a noob at all. I've been playing the game for like 3 years. And I'm still not that good at PvP. So, what I'm just hoping is my friend who also uses this account, he doesn't film though, so any videos you see up will be from me and not him. Oh God, why are snowballs doing so much damage, and why did they come out of his bow? Do all bows shoot snowballs, or is that a hack? Okay, all bows shoot snowballs. That's just a little bit weird. Do you know what I think about you? I want to shove my shovel up your ass. Oh my God. I don't... What? How in the... What? I don't even know what to say. His inventory was almost full of potions. How exactly did he do that? Oh god. God. So now I have a lot of potions that I'm probably not going to use. I'm probably going to die in the next 5 seconds. And the game's like 3 minutes till over. But I will do my best to get some points and not make this game just a pain in the ass. Because I want to full inventory of what? No, I want a full inventory of potions. That would be really funny. Oh god. Oh god. How is it that none of them hit me? How does that even work? I have some next level strats, fool. You don't know me. You don't know me. Sit down. Yes, just grab a chair and sit down. All company is appreciated. Yeah, just grab a chair. Will this guy not stop at anything to kill me or something? I've been killed by that guy like 4 times. What is his problem? What does he have against people wearing creepy chainmail skins? I don't know. He's a psychopathic killer. Ooh, black and diamond. I mine you with a shovel. Ooh. Yeah. May the power of rabid penguins forever be in your favor, and may penguins never let you down, and may you run into a wall like this, run after a guy, get killed by the same guy you've been killed by 4 times, or shall I finally get my revenge? I want my revenge. Oh, that guy's skilled. That guy has some skill. That guy has some serious next level strats. Ah! Oh, that guy's on my team. Well, I'm not colorblind. I just want everyone to know I'm not actually colorblind at all. Oh my god, prepare to die! I will chase you to the ends of the earth and beyond! How is it that none of them are even trying to hurt me? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, never run when you know someone's behind you. Tip number 1, I guess. I'm not making a tip diary. That would be really stupid. I'll build my own grave. Oh, I can't. I wanted to make my own grave. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, what the hell? You don't know me? I can get away from you. I can get away from you. I ain't part of your system. Oh god, maybe I am. Maybe I am. Oh yay, the game ended. But oh no, they won. I don't care who is chasing me. I want to snipe them into ash. I think it was you, even though you're on the opposite side of the map. Well, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget about the Ender Sword thing. That would just be really cool. You will be seeing more videos, and hope you all enjoyed. See you later, dudes. No, I don't want to die this fast. Jeez. Okay, so yeah, our only weapon in this one is an enchanted shovel. Shovel! And this looks like there's 13 minutes left on this, so I'm gonna play this game, and then I think I'm gonna upload the video. This is our first video on the channel, so please rate, comment, and subscribe. It would be really helpful just to kick off the first video. In other episodes, he will be joining up me. On other episodes, he will be by himself. It honestly depends. It's all up to his schedule, my schedule. Yeah, so his schedule, my schedule, what we're doing. If we're all free, we'll be playing together. We also have one other member whose computer is insanely laggy, and